Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Buenos dias from Cartagena, Colombia. This is Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today I am reporting from the Hyatt Regency in Cartagena, Colombia. And just to let you guys know, we checked in yesterday, and it was just not possible for me to take a video right away when we checked in. So I'm showing you this video. It's day 2 of our stay here. So far, it's been a good experience. The staff is very friendly and polite. The service has been good. The room has been clean. The pool space is very nice. Unfortunately, the kids' pool was closed yesterday. I'm not sure about today. And check out this ocean view. So we definitely cannot complain about the views. Down here you can see a little bit of the pool area. And here is Boca Grande, Colombia. So the views we definitely can't complain about. Yeah, we just had breakfast. There's a breakfast buffet which is included in the rate. And yeah, it was pretty good. No complaints. Some fresh fruits, some passion fruit, papaya. Yeah, we're pretty happy with this room. Let me show you the bathroom here. That's a pretty cool tub. And the shower. Right. The washroom here, the toilet. So this is separated. And then this connects back to the closet space and to the front door. So you have lots of closet space here. So it's definitely a nice hotel, definitely a nice pool area, multiple pools. It looks like each side of the hotel you have views. So that's pretty cool. Here you have an ocean view. The other side you have a view of like the harbor area, the port. There's some military boats and soccer stadium, and there's some water there obviously as well, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, this is our room tour. This is room number 1820, 1820. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Travel Guru TV will be very active in the next few months. Every winter we try to travel as much as possible, and there will be many more videos. And I'm going to say adios amigos de Cartagena, Colombia. Thanks for watching.